Look at your muscles. Look at your body. You probably think you're a normal human, but biology doesn't do normal. Every person on Earth is built from billions of genetic instructions copied over and over again. Most of the time, they copy perfectly. But sometimes, a tiny, microscopic glitch happens. These glitches are called mutations. Some give you green eyes, some give you golden blood, and a few rare glitches create genetic super athletes. Today, we are building the rarest athlete possible, starting with common physical advantages and ending with traits that sound like pure science fiction. Let's start with the sprint gene. Around 1 in 5 people have it. This gene controls how your body builds fast twitch muscle fibers, which are the cells responsible for explosive speed. Without it, your muscles simply can't contract fast enough to make you an Olympic sprinter, no matter how hard you train. It is the baseline requirement for world-class speed, but we can go much rarer. Next is the endurance gene, found in about 1 in 10 people. It makes your heart and lungs incredibly efficient at delivering oxygen to your muscles. It acts like a natural turbocharger, and it is the hidden secret behind elite marathon runners who can run at a brutal pace for hours without ever looking tired. Then we have the springy tendon mutation, affecting 1 in 100 people. This alters how your body builds collagen, making your joints and tendons super flexible and resilient. Their tendons act like high-performance steel springs. They absorb heavy impacts and release them as massive jumping power, while protecting them from catastrophic injuries that would easily sideline any ordinary human. Now, think about the painful burn you feel in your muscles when you work out. That is lactic acid, but about 1 in 1,000 people have a lactic acid vacuum mutation. Their bodies clear this metabolic waste almost instantly. Because they don't feel the muscle burn, they can keep sprinting at maximum effort, while everyone else's muscles completely lock up from exhaustion. Then there is the lightning reflex mutation, found in about 1 in 5,000 elite athletes. While the average human takes over 200 milliseconds to react to a sound or movement, people with this trait have neural pathways that transmit signals at superhuman speeds. Their reaction time is under 100 milliseconds, allowing baseball players to track a 90-mile-per-hour fastball or Formula One drivers to avoid a deadly crash before their conscious mind even registers the danger. It gets even crazier with a physical anomaly known as the super heart, occurring in about 1 in 10,000 people. While a normal resting heart beats 60 times a minute, these athletes have a naturally oversized heart that pumps twice as much blood with every beat. This drops their resting heart rate to under 30 beats per minute. Their heart does half the work, but produces double the power. In contact sports, one bad hit can easily break a bone. But about 1 in 100,000 people carry the unbreakable bone mutation. It makes their skeletons incredibly dense and strong. It is the closest thing science has found to real-life armor, letting an athlete absorb massive impacts, heavy falls, and brutal tackles without a single fracture. What if you could get massive muscles without ever lifting weights? The Hercules mutation, found in about 1 in a million people, turns off the body's muscle growth brake. People with this condition develop double the muscle mass of a normal person with almost zero body fat. Just pure, raw strength, gifted entirely by birth. Some athletes try to cheat by blood doping to get more red blood cells and stamina. But people with the superblood mutation don't need to cheat. This extremely rare trait causes the body to naturally produce 50% more oxygen-carrying red blood cells. It is natural, legal blood doping, granting stamina that defies normal medical limits. Finally, imagine feeling absolutely no physical pain or exhaustion. The pain switch mutation blocks pain signals from ever reaching the brain. In extreme sports, this is a dangerous superpower. An athlete with this trait can push their body past its actual limits, running until their lungs bleed or fighting with a broken hand, because their brain never tells them to slow down or stop. All of these mutations happen because of a microscopic change in your DNA. Most disappear, but some survive to create physical marvels. An athlete with unbreakable bones, lightning-fast reflexes, a heart that barely beats, and muscles that never feel pain. Somewhere out there, someone might carry multiple mutations from this list at the same time. They would be a walking biological cheat code. They might not even know they have them, but they are, statistically, the rarest athlete to have ever lived. If you could choose just one of these mutations to have, which one would it be? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed uncovering these secrets of human biology, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next deep dive into the extraordinary. Until next time, stay curious and keep pushing your limits.